Well, I came to exactly the same event about 3-4 years ago with João. We were still driving the Corvette in those days. João and I, we have fond memories of that car. And the trade show here is still big as usual. There's a lot of involvement. Ken had a very, very nice gathering together with a lot of his special clients.
It's been a very, very good evening, even with the rain. But we've got the Mustang Sampling trailer here with us, our training trailer. We've had many, many customers to come through the trailer this afternoon and enjoy all the products that are in here, our existing products, and many of our new products. We're really on a very, very good motivation right now, building a lot of new products that are taking care of some of the new unique sampling conditioning issues that we found all across North America, South America, Europe, Asia.
The hauler that I'm standing on used to be a full-blown race hauler, and now he converted into a Mustang Sampling lab. And what Ken managed to do with this truck is simply unbelievable.
We're very grateful that we've had Christian Filippelli here with us tonight, and I think he's signed a lot of hats and shirts. Glad you're able to see some of the things we're doing. The trailer is great, it's brand new. This is his first year out for the new trailer, and we're very happy to be out here training our clients.